Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you check your e-learning from your school. They'll be giving you a URL login, which is the school website. It can be www. In my own case, this is www.school6.at3star.com. Okay, slash site slash user login. School6.at3star.com. And when I log in as a child, take my child's username and password and click on sign in. So when I sign in and I'm there on the menu side, I'm going to see e-learning. Click on the e-learning, then I'll see the course that is available. Now when I open this course, I'll check, am I going to read week 1? If week 1, you see it here. Then but for week 2, there's nothing week 2 and week 3. So it's just week 1 that have been loaded. So for week 1, if I want to watch the video for my children, it will open this. So I go back, I play it. Now when I play it, check the mute. Muted or it can be on. So if you want to go back, click on e-learning again, and if you have different subjects here, you look for the subject. But here we don't have different subjects, I have just English language. So I click on week 1, and if it's a downloadable um, you see download file, which is read file. Once I click this read file to show me words and opposites, okay, write the opposites of words, big, small. I train my children and all that. I can download it by clicking this part of it. Download by clicking that part. So that's how you check your words e-learning on school portal. Thank you very much.